Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find add nearby friends on Instagram. So let's get right into the video. First, go to your search section by clicking the search icon and search for your specific area. Suppose I want New York City and tap on search. Here, click on places and click on New York City, New York. And in here, you can see there's a lot of places. And suppose we want to see in the place 57th Street. And here, click on search this area. And in this area, you can see lots of different accounts or lots of different places that has been tagged by the people recently. And suppose we look for M Social Times Square, New York. So if you go here and click on recent, some posts that has been tagged recently of these pages, and from there you can just go to your preferred account and give them a follow. And that's it. Let's check another one and go to recent. There's a sudden internet speed down in my area, that's why they are not showing that. But in here you can see the recent photos or that have been tagged by people. And yeah, that's it. From their photos of the places that they have been posted and tagged the places, this is a general prediction that people might have been their places recently, have been in those places recently. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.